Hi, I'm Matt from Signaworks. Today we're talking about the K90L pilot light. You can find out more about this product as well as our audible and visual signal products and add-on solutions at Signaworks.com. The K90L pilot light is our large pilot light. It's 90 millimeters in diameter. It mounts into a 30 millimeter hole. Included with it are gasket and nut, and it comes with wire leads for wiring. The units are available in 12 VDC and 24 VDC. With the units, you can easily achieve 4 colors with just voltage input, but there are an additional 3 colors that can be achieved using multiple inputs with relays. This is a great pilot light if you're looking for a large indicator. Because of its height, you can see it from the side, so you get true 360-degree visibility from it. It's a very solid construction and just a great indicator if you're looking for something large and noticeable. I have a unit set up here for demonstration purposes. So here is the unit. Here it is in red, yellow, green, and blue. And then once again, by having multiple inputs, you can achieve additional colors. So here is purple, here is orange, here is aqua, and you actually, by turning on all of the colors, can achieve a white color as well. So this is a very versatile, compact unit. If you have questions about this, you can give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.